In this video we're looking very quickly at changing row and column labels, so the numbers that appear at the edges of your chart. This chart that I have set up at the moment has my labels appearing at both the top and bottom of every column, and it's a circular chart, so my round labels are appearing all at the right hand side. The first thing we might want to do is to change the font. So we can come to the Edit Font icon, the capital T and small t in the icon menu, or come to Edit and Edit Font. And let's just change this to bold. You'll see those change immediately. It also changes the key. And if I had a title, it would change that as well. You might want to change where your numbers appear in relation to your chart. So we'll come to Chart and Edit Chart Properties, and we can change the column numbers to appear at the top or the bottom, neither or both. So let's just have the bottom for now. And you can change the labels by doing 2 slow clicks, so not a double click, but 2 separate clicks. For instance, we might want to call this Setup Round. Hit enter after you've typed in what you want it to say, and that updates as well. And you can use this to change the numbers to suit. I will also link to a video below which explains how to change your numbering automatically to begin with something other than the number 1, and that will be in the description box below if that's something you want to do.